there! I'm so incredibly happy to have you here in my tutorial. Today, I'll show you every single detail, including a unique gift wrapping idea. This idea is exactly for you. We will do the paper cone itself with satin ribbons. It will serve as a convenient carrier for flowers, and also collect an aesthetic flower arrangement. Originally inspired by this idea was a waffle. For the bouquet cone, I will use the most ordinary Wattman. And we will also need a lighter and any marker. Lighter size to 30 by 1. And marker 1 centimeter. And start of course the hardest with a big peony. Then we will have 3. Prepare all tools. Scissor, line, pipe cleaner. Stamens, then we need for thingies. In peony for rows of petals from the smallest to the largest. Doing first row smallest petals. Need to Chenille wires, cut them in half hand. Then I fold each half again in half. Next I hold on to the middle, I straighten to ends. Pipe cleaner. Everyone needs to bend inward and twist. Got it! For petals, they need to shape slightly bent. And then proceed to the second row. On the second row, we need 8 Chenille wire sticks. For pieces, cut 10 centimeters into 3 parts. For leaf hole, should get 4. Petal, then bend the whole wire in half. Further, all the other petals of all rows, we will do one and the same way. On a big pipe cleaner, we will wind up small. I take wire on the middle, stringing a small. Taking for one end and scrolling for 1 time. Look again. Carefully small stringing on top. I take for one end and wind up. You need to wind up on these petals. 3 small sticks, preferably of course in the middle. Then I lower all the ends down, I collect in one pile and one. From sticks, I wrap them all. Here I am not correcting anything, not straightening. Just collect in one pile and connect. Everything is such a petal we got. He is not beautiful yet, but then we all petals will be beautiful. Straighten and shape them, look. Once again, carefully how I do it. Nothing complicated here. You just have to practice a few times ... and it will turn out perfectly. Here it turns out first I wind up in the middle. Second from one edge. Then I turn around and do the third from the other edge. Making for petals. And each petal needs to be given a beautiful shape. Bend like this. Thumb, then distribute each loose. They should lie flat in a row and beautiful. These are the beautiful petals that should turn out in the end. Did you get it? Next I do the third row is 5 petals. Pipe cleaner, we will need 13 pieces. 8 cutting in half. 1 half will be extra, we will leave it on the stamens. And 5 pieces leave whole. Further, all the same. I fold all the Chenille in half. And here is the principle of creating a petal. Will be exactly the same as the previous petal. ... You already know how to do this. Exactly. Also, we take 3 halves. And wind them up by 1 hole for 1 turn. And further, still the same. Collecting them downstairs, all the sticks in 1 pile. And 1 long twisting everything. Thus, we make 5 petals. And the final row of petals them here will we have 7. We're gonna need 21 wires, 7 whole and 14. Cut in half. And then we do the action we want. Already it turns out faster and better. Only here will be not 3 little sticks but 4. 4 halves wind up for 1 whole. So this petal will be a little bit wider than previous. Everything, we are already ready. The last 7 petals of the biggest petals. Now proceeding to stamens. Remember we had 1 half left. Blue wire. I collect all the stamens and fold them in half. Thus I got a little loop. Into this loop I pierce the pipe cleaner. And just twisting it. Now I proceed to the leaves. We need 10 pieces of green pipe cleaner. 5 of them I cut in half, 5 I leave whole. Then I fold everything, pipe cleaner. Next, hole twisting. And I lower everything down. Exactly, also collect in one pile and rewind. Petal is ready, give it shape and make for more of these. Wow, now we will collect our flower. First on the wire I stick the stamens. And then start gluing the petals around. Congratulations on your very first gorgeous flower. But we need to make a stem. The usual way to make it will not work. White base bud, so we will do a trick. I'm scraping pipe cleaner. And start wrapping like this at the very base of the bud. Regular pipe cleaner, I stick it on glue. I stick everything on glue, and then just gonna start winding and gluing on glue, beginning and end. It took me 5 pipe cleaner to wrap the stem, but you can leave and more, that's fine. Be prepared for this and keep a couple more pieces in stock. The stem of the flower I wrap not until the very end, and somewhere to the middle. Floral wire, because then we will still cut the wire. And to the end do not have to. What gorgeous peonies turned out, big and beautiful. Be sure to write me how it turned out for you. They are beautiful, but I want to tint them with powder. I like more realistic flowers.